Alright, my artist drop a song. Now I'm gonna be very honest. Not because I'm an artist, that means I'm gonna be biased. Come in. Diddy. Come in, let's go. No long chatting. Featuring Jayds. I don't give a F. We get some volume. Alright.
Fifi go fuck up in a Mecca. Call me and me cheddar gal want me man a pepper. Fifi spend $1 million, get some pussy cause me they foreign mostly.
Pull up. Merry Christmas to one and all.
Fifi go fuck up in a Mecca. Call me and me cheddar gal want me man a pepper. Fifi spend $1 million, get some pussy cause me they foreign mostly. Hardly me no there. Me get a call some Barbie dollar there. No a killer roll one.
If you like, comment, share, subscribe. Now this is an artist and this is how you flow. Different flow.
Me full of stepper, arms up on a sweater. Hand we full of fire torch and we no well wet you up all under the umbrella.
Party like we no give a fuck. 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 The piece that on my belly, the steel they have to boss. The girl where you are wife and she me did a fuck. Weed me love the chop still sweet when it a puff. Inna the club tequila to my cup. A girl a pass me squeeze up on your bum. Your man vex but we no give a fuck.
We no give a fuck. Call me and me moolah 40. I ruga da me and me shoot around me. Agent and no party barracuda. She say me sweet, me dark. She say me cool a lot. She say me cuter. Inna me rose gold fort, Jenna Cuban.
When you really want an next, don't play me artist.
Safe then call me Donnarumma. Can't like coffee party, call it superstar. You know me super.
We no give a fuck. 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 The piece that on my belly, the steel they have to boss. The girl where you are wife and she me did a fuck. Weed me love the chop still sweet when it a puff. Inna the club tequila to my cup. A girl a pass me squeeze up on your bum. Your man vex but we no give a fuck. We no give a fuck. No give a damn. Me bust the rubber.
I'm not gonna lie. I thought the song could have kept Jayds off it, but it's not bad.
Then it just pick up a gal, that's 100 grand. Mola, mola, mola. I smile, I got the bank. Hi, I was a rap. Gal love rich man. She fight me for the jam. Invite me to the gang. She like me decision. Gal come here now. Just wind up for the dan. Me fuck you good, then send your own back to your man. We no give a fuck. 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 The piece that on my belly, the steel they have to boss. The girl where you are wife and she me did a fuck. Weed me love the chop still sweet when it a puff. Inna the club tequila to my cup. A girl a pass me squeeze up on your bum. Your man vex but we no give a fuck.
US, Yoda.
I'll let that boy slip me money a while ago. Boy, me come here now. Alright.
Money.
Fourth generation. Fourth. Alright, so listen. Let's make it one thing clear, alright? When I go up on my TikTok live, you can follow my TikTok. It's Genna1 Podcast. That's GENNA, the number 1 podcast. So listen, I'm gonna make that video. You know, I kind of felt like Jayds was going to mess my whole meds up when it come onto the song, but the song actually sound good with Jayds on it. You know, I think I didn't just listen to it thoroughly, but anyway, I think the song is great, bro. It's Aidonia. It might bring a different style to dancehall. Aidonia is a different style to dancehall, to be honest. We can't bias. Aidonia have what a lot of artists don't have, and that is clarity and flow. And Aidonia full of flow, bro. You see me? And I think this is who Masicka wanted to be and still wanted to be. Don't come at me. But anyway, I'm just jabbing. Anyway, Masicka big up yourself, a big artist same way. You understand? But the song tough, I'm not gonna lie. I like it. It's a nice little club bang, a nice little vibe, so we can say, yo, we are gonna chill and build back to one, you know? You know, if you're born a spliff, you're born a spliff. If you drink a juice, you drink a juice. You see me? But me like it. Me get a 10 out of 10. And now I think Jayds is gonna mash up the song. When I say mash up, I mean like mashed up in a good way, mashed up in a bad way. But the dog actually him think on the song. I'm not gonna lie. Can't bias. You see me? Not gonna lie. Jayds a good artist too, but when me hear the rhythm first, I say, yo, me I say, no, say, boy, I feel like Jayds would have matched a song the dog. Feel like somebody else would have do a better job. Me that say Govy. You see me? Me that say Govy. And then me I say, yo, if I'm not Govy, who? And then me I say, yo, but really and truly, Jayds gonna give that, you know? I like a hip hop kind of meds, you see? But yeah. But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comment section.